Come along. Let's make some homemade peaches and cream oatmeal. I'm bringing to a rustling boil 4 cups of water and adding in 3 tablespoons of butter. So here's a 15-ounce can of peaches. You can dice them up or buy a can already diced. At this point, it already tastes great, so the cream is optional. I like the cream, so I added 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Comment below. How did you change the recipe? Did you use a different fruit or more sugar? Let me know in the comments. If you like this type of content that includes full recipes, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know how you're cooking at home.